I'm writing a book right now.
This is from Facebook from Susan Baylor. Rachel, are you going to be writing any new cookbooks in the future?
I'm writing a book right now, and it's about this year. It's similar to Rachael Ray 50. It's a collection of 15 to 20 essays about what we've been through. And, of course, it'll include recipes as well. So, yes. Thank you, Susan.
This is from, on Facebook, Tammy Grover. Do you ever have days where you just say, heck with it, and have a bowl of cereal or maybe a PB&J sandwich? Absolutely. We have cereal sometimes.
It's in the morning. She means like instead of cooking a meal. No, I don't, because I have to feed him and my mother and my sister, and we have to make 7 meals a week for the show. So, no, I really don't. But we do eat cereal occasionally, but it's rarely. And when we do, it's
grape nuts.
Grape nuts, which neither have grapes or nuts in it. But we do have blueberries. But yeah, I mean, once in a while we get takeout from Ridge Terrace. They do a drive-away pickup thing.
Yeah.
Or harvest, but it's rare to be honest, because we have to cook so much for other reasons.
But I don't think we've ever made a PB&J sandwich together as long as I've known you.
We've certainly had peanut butter on toast. We've certainly enjoyed English muffins with lemon marmalade or different jams and jellies. So yes, you have had PB&J, just not necessarily in the most traditional sense.
Right, all in separate.
But I don't deprive you of PB
There's nothing
or
wrong
J.
with a PB&J.
No, not at all. I miss it.
I just rather have your pasta. Thank you very much. This is from Instagram from Mike_Christina.
Is there food you enjoy eating but not cooking? Probably just sashimi. We don't do a lot of sashimi. I do lots of Japanese food, but sushi, sashimi, we don't do a lot of here at home.
No, because we don't want to have just like hunks of raw fish.
Well, first of all, we are in the Adirondack Mountains and have been for several months. It's not exactly a seaport region. So.
No, we don't.
Yeah.
We don't have the big fishing boat pulling up behind our house. This is from Facebook, from Pam Younger, and dozens of other people apparently. Maybe a big question. What is Bella Boo's favorite toy?
Easy, ice.
She loves ice.
She loves to chase ice cubes.